Finally taking out these strawberry plants. I have plans for them. Let's get to it. I have 3 of these baskets. One of them is going to be strictly strawberries, which I'm very excited for. I had these about 2 years ago. I don't know why I never did more, because they work so well. 3 of these in total. One's gonna be just strawberries. The other 2 are going to have a strawberry plant. One beautiful red bandana lantana. The smell on these are amazing. And sticking with the red strawberry theme, we just have a beautiful red geranium. These will just provide a little bit of color whenever the strawberries aren't in full production. So I have my bucket of dirt here, but I also like to set my basket in because it has a point and you can't really work with the point. So that makes it easy and I have a workspace. And I'm just going to be popping these plants in. So one red geranium, lovely red lantana. Tuck in the strawberry plant and pack some soil around it. Also, when planting strawberries, make sure you're not burying the crown. This is the crown of the plant, right above the roots. Do not bury that. It will kill your strawberry plant. Beautiful. The strawberries are also doing 2 things in this hanging basket. They are providing us with food. They produce berries. They send runners, which means they are a beautiful drooping plant. Strawberries are one of the easiest pots here. I'm just gonna kind of drape them at the top here, leaving the crown out. Here's a better angle of the crown. That is the crown right there, and then you can see the roots come down. Crown of the plant, do not bury. One strawberry plant, all done. I've had the Silver Falls for about almost 2 weeks now. It is not loving its life inside this pot. It needs to be potted. And doesn't this look pretty together? The silver and yellow, it's gonna be beautiful. Let's plant it up. Oh, that slipped out of its container easily. It's like, get me out of here. Love how this turned out. It's going to be even more beautiful as the season progresses. I love this combination together. I think they're just gonna shine off of each other. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time, stay gardening.